Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here with a layout for the Allison Pennington Designs creative team. I'm working with the collection called Notes from Autumn, and I'm going to create this layout about our new puppy Maisie. This will be in my October Daily album, which I think this year is turning out to be more of October Stories album, and that's fine. So these are some of the pattern papers and the elements and my background that I created here and printed out from the collection. And I really wanted to share this layout with you because this layout is kind of a comedy of errors. Something happened when I was printing out the embellishments, and the sizes are somewhat larger than what I planned. And the reason I wanted to share this process with you is to show you how even when you do something unintentionally, to just keep going and work with what you've printed out, because in the end, what you're going to have is a really cute layout no matter what. No matter what, unless you printed out all black embellishments or something. And even then, there might be a use for that too. I don't know. But these were all a bit bigger than I intended. And so what I'm going to do first off is I am going to trim down the patterned papers, because those sort of create the base for the layout and some of the starting layers, and the sizes that they do kind of take over the background, and I don't want that. I wanted some of these colors to show through. Look at how beautiful these pattern papers are. The colors in this collection are, I know I say this every time, I could live in these colors. That green, I'm actually wearing that green today and love it. I love it layered on top of that rust colored, red orange, argyle. There are several versions of this argyle in the collection, and I love that so much. Something that Allison does in her collections is she offers quite a lot of alternate colorways for the patterns that she creates. And I love the layering. Notice how I did the background in a very neutral argyle, and then I included that rust kind of orange red there as well. So the photo, I left the same size that it was. Large photo, small photo. It's a photo of Maisie, and I love it. She is, we had only had her for about a week or two at that point, and we had her out at the park, and this doggo loves sticks. She's a retriever. That is in her blood. She loves to find her favorite stick when we're walking and things, hanging out outside. And this stick was so big, she couldn't really barely fit it into her mouth. It's so cute to watch her, just to get to enjoy her being a puppy. And so notice how the title itself I was planning to have just at the top of the photo, but because it printed out larger, I went ahead and cascaded it down the page, and I actually kind of like that better than what I had originally planned. I love, these are felt textured letters, alphabets, and I love them. They're so cute. They're in several different colors, but this just spoke warm fall blankets to me. And you notice that I also trimmed down the tag there. I debated on using the owl. I love this little owl in this collection, but she just seemed to kind of compete with the dog, so I ended up leaving her out. The ribbons here, Love these. Again, I could wear that plaid. I could have that in the dining room on the walls. I would love if Allison could design for Target or something. Wouldn't it be awesome? But anyway, I ended up trimming down the ribbons, as you can see, so that they would tuck just underneath the, embellishments there and underneath the photo. I love this technique of just having a little bit of ribbon underneath the cluster with the photos and things. So the layout itself, I believe, is complete. You can see the things I didn't end up using here. I'm gonna go ahead and punch it for the album, and then I'll share detailed photos with you at the end. Thanks so much for watching. I will have links down below for you, and as always, I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.